Just saw that one. I'm like holding a lightning rod.
Are you excited? I'm very excited.
Hi. Where are you going?
Mexico City.
Oh, we're on our way to Mexico City, 7 a.m. in Arizona on May 26th. Uber is on the way.
My sombrero.
We made it. We're in our little elevator. Just got into the building, going to the 6th floor, and then we put in our code. And we're here. Oh, we're just in it. Just get off the elevator and you're in the unit. Here we are. Bada bing. Wow. So there's no air conditioning. Wasn't sure if I read the Airbnb carefully enough, but that's all right. We can at least get the fans going. It's a very nice place. There's a little Lasco fan.
Cooking.
Get it cooking?
Get it cooking.
There you go. Here's your air conditioning. He said we can have anything in the fridge that we want. Oh, he left us some Indio and Coca-Cola and that's his stuff.
Okay.
Do not touch. It does not say that. It's just very all right, so I guess it's not service.
Yeah, but laundry room.
Laundry room, very nice.
Closet lockdown.
What is this? This is probably his storage closet that's locked, I would think. No, this is. Oh, if you want to walk down the stairs. Oh yeah, right. Oh yeah, you want to go up there? I guess we should bring a key so we don't get locked out, right? Let's see. Let's see if this is the key. It is. Okay. Here we go to the rooftop. There we go. Watch your step. Private little rooftop. Double lock.
Really?
Let's not build it, but put stuff in there. Look at that. Dos Equis.
Dos Equis, all right.
What does that mean?
That means let's go.
Time to go? All right. Here we are. Mexico City, May 26, 2024. Our first time here. We got ourselves a cool little spot, rooftop. I'm starting to feel the relaxation
Wash over
wash
you.
over my body.
We're gonna sit up here and play games, and I can't wait.
Cheers.
Cheers. There'll be a lot of nakedness in this apartment, though. Just get ready for it.
I gotta get these jeans and this shirt on.
This is our little penthouse roof party, and we're watching lightning and thunder. Well, watching the lightning, listening to the thunder. Speakers, a little outdoor kitchen. Wind is crazy.
Yeah, it was huge. Oh, just saw that one. I'm like holding a lightning rod. Wow, it's crazy. Thunder and lightning. Oh, man.
No, it's cold. I know. Woo. I know little hail balls.
Hail in Mexico City. Wow. Oh my God.
What are you doing? Translating the menu?
Yeah.
Are you sleepy? Good morning, Joe.
Good morning.
How are you?
Bye. Oh, I got the coffee place on my map. I don't know if I need this, do I, to get, yeah. I don't know. I don't think you need it to go down.
Right, because you're going to the floor you're allowed on.
We didn't get our buoyant DS.
Oh, I didn't bring my sunglasses, darn.
Why, pray tell, did you not?
I don't know. This is not loading the directions and I don't know why. Oh, Cardinal, Casa. Why you have it on me?
You know, you can screenshot a direction too.
Uh-oh, we were walking the wrong direction, I think. I don't know, I can't tell yet.
What's the name of the street? Little red light in front of our place. Praise God. What? Trip.
Oh. Don't trip. Oh man, we were way off.
Oh. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias. Oh man. So we're on our way to get coffee. Day one. And one thing we do notice is that the sidewalks in this town are pretty sketchy. So if you don't pay attention, man, oh man, you're in big trouble. Sidewalk, streets, everything. Yeah, there you go. Should be right here. Look at that.
Look at that. Casa de Cafe.
Yep.
It smells good. It's real party.
Real pretty.
Oh, gracias.
It looks like it's brown.
It is. Where's your coffee?
Where's mine?
Yeah.
Gracias.
Are you excited?
I'm very excited. I think it has sugar in it. What did we just learn there, Joe Ellen?
If you want pesos, the only way to exchange American dollars is that you actually have to go to an exchange place. A standard bank like HSBC will not do that for you.
Right, and what is an exchange place called? Cambio.
Cambio?
Yes.
Cambio.
Isn't
Say
it?
Casa de Cambio? That
Yeah, something like, I don't know. Cambio.
Cambio, but I think that's what was in the airport.
Yeah.
However,
The rates are not as good there?
we
maybe?
don't know. I just was speculating that it would be a little bit of a higher rate in an airport.
Correct.
But maybe I was wrong.
All right.
All right, so we'll take you to Cambio with us.
Yeah, well, first we're going to look at these tortillas being made. No, I want to go past this. We found this cool place here that's making homemade tortillas. It's got a machine and everything. So cool. Oh, do you want to try it?
Oh, gracias. Come in. Hi.
Where are we?
We are back at Oliver's Airbnb.
High level security here,
Yeah.
which is nice.
Yes. Welcome home.
Just like at our own home, we keep all the shoes by the door.
In a big pile.
In a big pile, but we're gonna make them a little neater. Keep them away from. There we go. All right.
You're in line. For what?
Tacos. 2.5 hours in line?
Just about. This is so cool.
You want to try?
Sure.